is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today I've got one that comes from the refrigerated section of your local grocer. It's by Nona Lim. See that? It's green curry. It's a green curry noodle bowl. It's gluten-free and it's plant-based. And I figured plant-based meant vegan, but apparently it doesn't. So, in the review for this one that'll come out, I don't know when it does, you can look and there's a video that I found. Actually, just go hit up YouTube and type in vegan versus plant-based, and it's like, there's a few subtle differences. So, anyways, they sent me two of this one and one each of two other varieties that came out recently. Thank you very much. They shipped them on ice and they got here nice and cold, and they've been sitting and chilling in my fridge ever since I opened the box. So yeah, let's see, what do we do with this? We, i.e. me, because you're not doing this. Oh, it's mentioning Singapore. Thai green curry is so much more of what I'm used to as a Thai thing, but cool. Thai green curry made with fresh ginger, lemongrass, cilantro, and coconut milk paired with our laksa rice noodles. Cool. So to cook it, open noodle packet and put it in the bowl. Pour the broth into the bowl over the noodles. Microwave bowl without the lid for 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, so we got a new microwave. It's fancy, and it's 1250 freaking watts. So, yeah, I'm thinking maybe 2 minutes. 2 minutes should do it up nicely. Yeah. So, crack this sucker open. The packaging is, it's funny, it feels like it's made out of some kind of cardboard on the outside, but when you open it up and take the stuff out, it's like, that's heavy plastic. So anyways, so first off, we've got our noodles. It's our laksa rice noodle, and we'll put it into the bowl as requested by the instructions. Let's see here, you can see the process. Actually, I'm going to loosen these up just a little bit and make sure they get off. Yeah, there we go. And then here's the broth. So let's get this sucker open. This reminds me of something else quite a bit. Here we go. There. 1, 2, 3, go. Oh. Yeah, there is kind of a downside of these things because the lids are so hard to get off and you don't want to make a big old mess, but it's going to require a spoon. That's okay. I have spoon. Yeah. Spoon it out. Also because it's, it's cold, so that's good. So, yeah, this is very thick. But maybe when it heats up, it loosens up. I really don't know. Does it ask for... Uh-oh. I threw away the instructions. I don't think it asks for any water, though. Water everywhere. Open noodle packet and place in bowl. Pour broth into bowl over noodles. Microwave bowl without the lid, 2 to 3 minutes. Alright, well, let's go over here. As you can see, there's my microwave. So, boom. There's 2 minutes. And it'll start singing happy songs once the 2 minutes are up. So, yeah. So this is the third review of the day. This is the first one this week. And I didn't do any last week. And I didn't do any, oh no. Last week I did 2. And the week before I didn't do any. It's been insane. You had the kitchen remodel. I got sick. My wife had to go to the hospital. And it's just been busy. And now she's back and I'm like, I don't know. I don't really want to do reviews. I want to hang out. So, but yeah. So today's the day. This is the third of the day. Oh yeah. Things is good. Get Rotato all ready. I've got a Thai bowl. This is like a Thai styled bowl. You'll see this pattern at Thai restaurants like non-stop. So hopefully it's enjoyable. I don't see any fire. That's a plus. Almost done. Yeah. It's nice to get back into the swing of reviewing. I've really missed that. And it's nice just the fact that I still have this funk going on, but I don't have the whole, I can't smell or taste anything as much. Well, really I don't. Food's fine, but other things, it's like, I just don't smell certain things. I don't know. Alright. It is done. And okay. Alright, so this is all ready. I'm gonna move it to the side. Let's look and see what we end up with after a 2-minute spin in the microwave. It said 2 to 3 minutes or until hot, and this is freaking boiling. Oh, okay. Look at that. It did get all soupy. Oh, wow. A lot of veg action going on in there. Now, the question, is this going to be like a really nice, strong green curry? What do we have in store for us with these rice noodles and coconut milk broth? I like the look of the carrots. I like the cut of their jib. Just because the carrots have that kind of Thai restaurant cut to them to some degree. And they're fresh, man. I like that. Here's the noodle. They've got a chew. Choo choo. And a spoon of the broth. Nice and thick. Okay. I can taste the ginger. I can taste all the different stuff going on. Yeah, that's pretty good. Okay, and again, to avoid, hitting you in the face. Oh! Okay, hold on. Because I've made a little mess. Little mess here, nothing to freak out about. No, really, don't freak out. This isn't part of the cooking experience, by the way. If you're like, oh, if I'm gonna do this right, I gotta make a mess. You're doing it wrong. It's called an accident. So what are we gonna throw in here? This looks really nice. I'm impressed. Cool. I've got some, staying with the vegan thing, or not vegan but planty thing. Here's some fried tofu, some mung bean sprouts, and something I've really been digging on lately because I did some curry reviews of Taiwanese stuff. Here's some, maybe not that much. Here's some basil. Yeah. Basil smells it's really aromatic, really tasty. Here's some pepper flake. Wait a second. Come here. Let's get a nice, good shot. I think that'll work. Rotator time. Wow, that's really loud. Anyways, well, cool. Thank you to the folks over at Nona Lim for shooting this over. I'm guessing you're going to find this at places like Whole Foods, things like that. Maybe they'll have it on Amazon because they've got that tie-in over there now. So, yeah, and it's pretty darn good. I'm looking forward. The other two are spicy miso and Dan noodle, and that one has my curiosity peak. It's either going to be great or I don't know. So, cool. Well, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Have a good one and bye.